You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce these names, as well as how to say more interesting but often confusing names of famous painters and artists from around the world, and France as well. So make sure to stay tuned to the channel of French artist, mostly a painter of animals, but also sculptor. Rosa Bonheur is how it is said in French. Rosa Bonheur. In English, Rosa Bonheur. Rosa Bonheur. And now, you know, more videos for you here to learn more correct pronunciations of names that too many get wrong. Like and subscribe if you found this video useful, like it at least. If you found it useful indeed, it helps me immensely. More videos for you here to learn more pronunciations. Thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.